Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can connect PayPal to Payoneer. First, let's open up your PayPal app. Then on the bottom of your screen, go to Wallet. Over here, you will see your connected banks or accounts on Banks and Cards section. To add your Payoneer account, click this Add New button over here. A prompt on the bottom will ask you if it's a card or bank account. Click Bank on this option. Then over here, click on the link to US Bank instead, since Pioneer is a US bank. So fill out this one and select its account type. Once you're done typing your routing and account number, click Link Your Bank below and you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.